In the vast oceans lives the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale. These magnificent marine mammals can stretch over 100 feet long. Their weight can exceed 200 tons, making them heavier than many airplanes. A blue whale's heart is so large, a human could swim through its arteries. Their calls are among the loudest sounds produced by any animal. They are a true testament to the potential size of life. On solid ground, the African bush elephant is the largest living land animal. Adult males can weigh up to 13,000 pounds. Their height can reach over 13 feet at the shoulder. These intelligent giants shape the landscapes they inhabit. Their immense size requires vast amounts of food and water daily. They move with surprising grace despite their bulk. While whales and elephants are the largest, many other animals reach impressive sizes. The giraffe is the tallest mammal, reaching heights of nearly 20 feet.